All right, math groups 1 and 2. Listen, I know that math group 1 wasn't able to meet, and so I wanted to go over this with you really quickly. It's called Nearby Numbers, okay? And it is a game. But for this week, I'm going to ask you to not play this part. You're just working on this part, okay? So we're just getting our numbers organized. The reason it's called Nearby Numbers is because our job is to figure out which numbers are near 3, okay? And here's what I mean. We have a number line, okay? And all of you guys also got this book, but we haven't had a chance to get into it yet, group 1. But you will, okay? But for now, we're just going to use it as a resource. I'm noticing I have my point of origin, or my 0, right here. And as I go up or move a space, I go up a number. So if I moved up 5 spaces, let's see where I go to. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, I'm at 5, okay? So this is my number line that I can use for a resource, just in case. So now back to my game. Okay, I have a whiteboard marker. You guys have those, and we also have erasers. I've lost mine, so I'll use my mask. But you guys have erasers with you. Okay, and here's how you play. I'm going to start at my number 3, and I have to ask myself, what number is next or nearby the number 3 on my number line? If I go up 1 space to find out, let's look, just in case if you're not sure, that's okay. I'm going to use my resource. I'm going to start my finger at the number 3, and this time I'm just going to move up 1 space, see if we can find the number 4. Easy peasy, okay? So I come over here and I draw the number. Oh, what if I don't know how to draw number 4? It's fine, no problem, because you have your resource. You can always find it. I'm going to start at my point of origin, and I'm going to count to get to my number 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. There it is. Some people make 4s like that, and some people make 4s like this. Either way is fine as long as you're starting from the top. So now I have a clue, right? It's our game. So now I have my 3, my 4. What comes next? Well, I know just by counting up ones. 3, 4, 5. Okay. Here's where it gets tricky. Now we need to go backwards on the number line. So now we're moving down, or we're losing 1. So if I'm at 3 on my number line, I have my finger right there, and I go backwards a space, or I lose 1, I go from 3 to 2. Okay, so that's the next number that I write. I start at the top, I keep my pen, and I go all the way down. Now, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Easy peasy, okay? And then you just finish all these just like that one. So this one, I'm not starting with the number 3. This time I'm on the number 5. So I have to think to myself, okay, what number is near number 5? And this time I'm going to be fancy and go backwards first. So I'm at 5, and I go backwards 1 space. So I'm losing. I started with 5 candies. I went backwards. I lost 1. So now I'm only at 1, 2, 3, 4, okay? Easy peasy. 5, 4. You can give yourself hints that way too. Now watch this. 3, 4, 5. Up 1 is just 6. Okay? And I'll let you guys finish it. So this is what you guys practice for nearby numbers for this week. I want you to wait on this tricky part until we actually get you the cards. Okay? And once you're done, easy peasy, you can erase it and you're finished. All right, math groups 1 and 2, get busy.